Just got this doorbell at the mail that I'm going to be installing today. Here's the doorbell itself. There's 20 types of ringtones and 4 types of volume. When pushed, it's going to sound as a regular doorbell. It could also be used as a help alarm if you put it by a bedside, and it has different features, so we could also use it as a video recording. And then this is going to plug into a USB, and we have different modes on the side with our volumes on, off. It also comes with an extra one, so you can locate them in different areas. A sticky tab for attaching of the doorbell. Screws. It does have a C-port charging unit for charging, and different tools and accessories that may be needed. Inside the instruction manual, you're going to find a QR code that you can download the app so that you can watch and do video recording of anyone who may ring the doorbell. Attachment took seconds, and then I was able to attach the adapter that will alarm the sound anywhere in the house or location that you're at. And then here's the app, easy to connect to. And once you ring the doorbell, you can see the video recording. You can also choose to do a video call, and you can look at past video doorbell rings.